How to fix YouTube library option not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix YouTube's library option not showing. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is you'll need to open up your YouTube. And when you open up your YouTube, make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Make sure that the network you're on is good and stable. And if you're not using your Wi-Fi or if it's not stable, you can always use your mobile data. So whichever you use, make sure it's working and then try to check if your YouTube library option is showing. If it's still not showing, you might need to head over to your settings. Search for your settings, head over there, then scroll till you find General. Tap on General, and now you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage. So head over to iPhone storage, and after you're here, you'll need to search for YouTube now. After you find YouTube, open that up, and what we're doing here is offloading the app. Tap on the offload app option and confirm it by tapping on it again. Then it will get offloaded, which will remove all of its cache. Then you can simply reinstall the app, and the app should work just fine since the cache of the app has been removed. If that does not work, always go to your App Store to check for updates of the app. So search for YouTube on your App Store, and after you find YouTube, check if there is an update available. If there is, tap on update to simply get the updates, that is fixed bugs, improved performance, and again more and more. So updating your app might fix your problem, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.